Now let's go downstairs for a look. Again, switchback stairway, very attractive, great wall for art. Completely finished lower level, great for entertaining, large family room. Here they put a fireplace in, room for a big screen TV. Back in the corner we have a finished exercise room, or whatever else you might want to use it for. Continuing the theme of entertaining, we have a full walk behind wet bar, beautiful cabinetry, sink, room behind for serious wine refrigerator, storage, whatever you might want to use back there. And again, room for a large pub table, again, great for entertaining. Again, the view there will be out to the park. Two more bedrooms down here, plus a full bath. I'll correct myself with 3/4 bath. Some people will put a full bath there. Two more bedrooms, children, grandchildren, overnight guests. They are on a totally separate floor. You have privacy, elbow room down here. So there you have it. This is the Madison. This is exactly the floor plan we've been talking about. You see upstairs how it fits beautifully onto that lot. You're maximizing the attributes of that lot. This could be yours. Give me a call. We've got about a little under 2 weeks where you could actually come out for a private showing of this house. But now you can imagine what will fit on that lot for you, where you can live the dream. Thank you for looking. Bye-bye.